How to have fun while camping. Getting the family together for a camping adventure can be some great fun for everyone involved. When planning your camping trip, having some great advice and suggestions makes the difference in your enjoyment as well. Take a look at this video to soak in excellent tips that will have you out the door and in the great outdoors in no time. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty, and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Camping is an educational and rewarding adventure for kids, and equally so for adults. As you can see, making the most of your camping outing does not have to be difficult. This video has offered some ideas to help you prepare for some situations you may encounter and leave worries behind. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.